Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty, trends, and products that truly make a difference. If you're here, it's because you're ready to elevate your glow to the next level. Today, we're doing something special, a countdown of the top 5 best highlighters for a dewy finish. Whether you're all about that radiant glassy skin, or just looking for that perfect lit from within look, this countdown will have you covered. We're talking about highlighters that don't just sit on top of your skin. They melt in, creating a natural, dewy finish that leaves you glowing like you've just stepped out of a sun-kissed dream. So sit back, get comfy, and let's start this countdown. We're about to unlock the top highlighters that'll have you glowing like never before. Ready to shine? Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5 in our countdown of the top 5 best highlighters for a dewy finish, we have the Merit Day Glow Dewy Highlighting Balm in the shade Cava. If you're someone who loves a soft, lit from within glow without the heavy shimmer, this might just be the perfect highlighter for you. What if I told you that a tiny amount of this balm could instantly give your skin a radiant, dewy finish that looks like you've been glowing all day? Merit has crafted a product that feels like luxury with its lightweight, sheer coverage. You don't have to worry about that overdone, glittery look. Instead, you get an elegant, skin-like finish that enhances your natural beauty. The creamy texture glides on smoothly and effortlessly, giving you a subtle shine that isn't overpowering. If you're seeking a highlighter that can keep up with your busy day without fading away, Merit has you covered. It's the kind of product that lets you glow confidently all day without worrying about a touch-up. And with a neutral beige tone like Cava, this balm is designed to complement medium skin tones perfectly. It's versatile enough to work for a variety of looks, whether you're going for a natural no-makeup look or want to amp up your evening makeup. But don't just take my word for it. Countless users have embraced this product for its simple elegance and sheer beauty. In fact, its subtlety is what sets it apart from other highlighters. If you've been struggling to find a highlighter that doesn't sit on your skin, but instead blends seamlessly, the Merit Day Glow Dewy Highlighting Balm is a must-try. So if you're ready to elevate your glow game, this product is worth considering. Remember, it's all about that dewy, fresh-faced finish. And if you love what you've learned, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more tips to glow from within. At number 4 in our countdown of the top 5 best highlighters for a dewy finish, we have the Westminatellier Litup Highlighter Stick. If you've been looking for a highlighter that gives your skin a fresh, radiant glow without the heavy texture, this silky, translucent gel highlighter is exactly what you need. Imagine a product that not only highlights your best features, but also encourages collagen production to keep your skin healthy and glowing. That's exactly what this highlighter does. Its iridescent undertone works beautifully on all skin tones, providing a natural dewy finish that enhances your complexion without looking artificial. It's that effortless glow you've always wanted. What sets this highlighter apart from the rest? First, it's free from silicones, parabens, PEGs, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking for clean beauty options. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and works wonders for perking up dull, tired skin. Whether you're prepping for a day at the office or an evening out, a swipe of this highlighter stick gives you that fresh-faced, luminous look that lasts all day. It's so easy to apply. Just glide it onto your cheekbones, brow bone, or even the Cupid's bow for a soft, flattering glow. No need for brushes or complicated techniques, just the simple convenience of a stick format that makes applying on the go a breeze. If you're ready to level up your glow, the Westminatellier Litup Highlighter Stick is a must-try. Trust me, it's not just about how it highlights your skin. It's about giving your face that healthy, hydrated glow we all crave. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more glowing tips, and stay tuned to discover the best beauty products to make your skin shine. Coming in at number 3 in our top 5 best highlighters for a dewy finish, we have the Glossier Futuredew Oil Serum Hybrid. This isn't just your typical highlighter, it's a game changer for anyone looking for that effortlessly dewy, glowing skin. What if you could hydrate and highlight your skin in one easy step? That's exactly what this hybrid formula delivers. The Glossier Futuredew combines the best of both worlds, the nourishing benefits of a serum with the glow-enhancing properties of an oil. This unique formula hydrates and nourishes, leaving your skin feeling fresh, smooth, and radiant. It's perfect for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin. And it brings out a natural, luminous finish that looks like you've just stepped out of a facial. And the best part? The refreshing aloe vera scent adds an extra layer of relaxation every time you apply it. It's like a mini spa treatment for your skin, leaving it soft, glowing, and healthy all day long. This product isn't just a highlighter, it's a multifunctional hero. It gives you that dewy finish while working as a serum to hydrate, so you can enjoy glowing skin without the heaviness of traditional highlighters. If you're someone who values skincare and makeup that works in harmony, this product will quickly become a favorite. If you're after a highlighter that provides hydration, a subtle glow, and all-around skin benefits, the Glossier Futuredew Oil Serum Hybrid is your new best friend. Ready to glow? Don't forget to subscribe for more glowing tips and beauty finds that'll elevate your skincare and makeup game. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best highlighters for a dewy finish? Well, don't leave your glow hanging. Give that like button some love, hit subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a shiny update. At number 2, in our top 5 best highlighters for a dewy finish, we have the JUNGSAEMMOOL Essential Mool Stick Glow Moisturizing Multi-Balm. If you're looking for that lit from within glow, this is the product for you. Imagine a highlighter that not only gives you radiant skin, but also nourishes and boosts your skin's elasticity at the same time. Sounds like a dream, right? This product is the result of over 30 years of expertise by Korea's top celebrity makeup artist, JUNGSAEMMOOL. The Essential Mool Stick combines groundbreaking technology with natural glowing skin principles, delivering a finely ground glow-reflecting complex. This complex is designed to provide a luminous, dewy finish that shines brightly from every angle, giving you that perfect, youthful glow with just a swipe. But that's not all. This highlighter is packed with double-boosting ingredients that help improve your skin's elasticity. It works by addressing 2 key factors that hinder skin firmness, leaving your skin feeling energized and hydrated. It's a highlighter, moisturizer, and skincare booster all in one. If you're someone who loves that natural, fresh-faced glow, this multi-balm will quickly become your go-to product. It's perfect for adding a luminous touch to your cheekbones, brow bones, or anywhere you want a little extra radiance. Ready to shine from within? If you love learning about products that combine skincare and makeup seamlessly, don't forget to hit subscribe and get more glowing beauty tips. Taking the top spot in our top 5 best highlighters for a dewy finish countdown, we have the BioRadiant Glassy Highlighter Balm in Glassy Topaz. If you're dreaming of a luminous, glass-like glow that lasts all day, this is the highlighter you've been waiting for. Imagine a product that not only enhances your radiance, but also nurtures your skin with every swipe. The Glassy Highlighter Balm is formulated with an impressive 64% skincare ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, squalane, and marine extracts. These ingredients work together to provide instant hydration while giving you that coveted ethereal glow. Whether you're using it on your cheekbones, cupid's bow, or collarbones, the balm effortlessly glides on without disturbing your makeup, leaving behind a long-lasting, glassy finish. What sets this highlighter apart is its combination of powerful skincare benefits. Hyaluronic acid attracts moisture, keeping your skin plump and hydrated. Plant squalane nourishes, while sea fennel extract mimics the smoothing effects of retinol without any irritation, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Wakame extract, a marine algae, strengthens the skin barrier, offering added protection and care. The golden bronze hue Glassy Topaz provides the perfect warm glow to suit all skin tones, giving you that dewy, radiant look from day to night. If you're looking to add a highlighter that nourishes your skin while giving you a gorgeous, glowing finish, the BioRadiant Glassy Highlighter Balm is a must-have. And if you love discovering products that bring skincare and beauty together, hit subscribe so you can continue glowing with us. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top 5 best highlighters for a dewy finish. To stay in the loop with all the bestsellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check out the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.